I don't know, there's a lot of words here.
मुझे ट्रकर बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि बहुत रंगीन है, बहुत खूबसूरत है.
These trucks that actually look a little bit like elephants on the highway.
Am I saying it correctly, by the way? मेरी उर्दू बहुत खराब है.
Papu ya.
Tengnika.
Papu pal, don't bother me.
What's papu mean?
Okay, yeah, me either. Yeah, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Back off. Back off.
Ma ki dua.
Janat ki hawa.
Mother's prayer, heaven's wind.
My mother is praying for me, and so I'm going with the wind of heaven to go very fast and very safely to a place.
Your mom goes with you, no matter where you are.
This truck driver obviously loves his mother.
Dikane mai dali.
Chalnae my goli.
It rhymes.
Doli, goli. Goli is bullet, right? Oh gosh, it moves like a chariot, so it's like looks like a car, but it moves really fast.
Don't be jealous of my beautiful truck. Keep praying and maybe you can have one like it.
Yeah, because my car is cool, man. So maybe you can have a cool car like me one day.
Dil bare e farak. Kimat surf ek mascara ha.
Car is for sale, price is just a smile.
Thought they'd be more expensive.
Yeah, I put that on the back of my car.
Your life is a biscuit and cake.
My life is handle and break. Oh, geez.
Makes me hungry.
They actually put that on the back of it?
I will become a truck when I grow up. I have this little piece of thing, and I'm gonna work hard and get something nicer eventually.
Pyar kaise karu. Tankwa bahut tori hai.
How to love, I don't get paid much.
Oh, geez.
Putting this on the back of a truck. I don't think you want to advertise this. This is not a swipe right Tinder kind of thing here. Keep distance or else fall in love. Wow, that is some solid confidence.